Good day guys, welcome to my channel by MK. I'm gonna unbox the new GoPro Hero 9 Black, the September 2020 edition. I ordered this online from Virgin Megastores. Initially I was planning to get this directly from the GoPro's official website, as they have a lot of offers if you order directly from their website. But due to this COVID situation, I found it may take a lot of time to reach here, especially since it's coming from UK and all. So what I have is the GoPro Hero 9 Black and a head strap with a quick clip. So this is the head strap with a quick clip. It costs 89 dirhams. And this is my most anticipated GoPro Hero 9 Black. So it has a 20 megapixel camera, 5K recording in 30 frames per second format, waterproof up to 10 meters underwater, voice control, slow motion that's 8 times slower, and big touch screen. Yeah, and then hyper smooth 3.0. Okay, so this camera already comes with a case, which is really helpful, especially when you travel. So you don't have to buy a separate case for it. So this is our GoPro Hero 9 Black. It has a front screen and a back touch screen. It looks plastic, but it is heavy. I don't know how heavier it is when compared with the older versions, as I haven't used the former versions. The camera looks pretty sturdy, and the heaviness for this small cute camera makes it more awesome. Seems to be more durable as well. So this camera has a C-type charging cable. And comes with a 1720 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery. It also comes with some basic mounting clips. Honestly, this is my first action camera, or I would say a professional camera, and hopefully I will be doing the rest of my vlogs using this. I didn't buy the micro SD card, I have to buy it later. Okay, so let me switch this thing on and see what's happening. So once on for the first time, the camera asks for the language. You have to choose whatever language you want to. And then turn on the GPS and later connect the camera with your mobile phone using the GoPro app to control the camera using your phone, as well as to get the latest updates. Thank you so much guys for watching. Really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel.